Okay, let's watch how this heater works. We're going to use the remote. Power, turn it on. So it starts on heating mode 3. If we hit the heat button again, we can lower it to heat mode 2. So 3 is 1500 watts, 2 I think it said was 1300 watts, and level 1 is only 750 watts. Basically half of what high is. Hit it again and it goes to fan only. So you cannot adjust the fan speed when it's on heat. It decides, level 3 forces high fan, heat level 2 forces low fan, and heat level 1 is also low fan. But when you go to fan only, fan 2 is high fan, and fan 1 is obviously low fan. So you can adjust the fan speed, but there's no heat coming out. So when you go back to heat mode, put it on level 1, then you can adjust the temperature as you want it by hitting the plus and minus buttons on here. And you can set a timer if you want. And this one also makes it oscillate. So now it's oscillating. So that's how it works. It's actually a pretty nice heater. It's ceramic inside, which I like because that means it holds heat even when it's off, as opposed to one that's really hot when it's on and cold when it's off, or nothing when it's off, whereas the ceramic holds heat for a while. It's also nice and solid. Well, I'm shaking it a lot, but it actually is pretty solid. I've seen others, even name brands, that are pretty wobbly at the base, but this one is not. So it's a pretty nice heater. In my opinion, I kind of I wish you can adjust the fan speed even on heat, but that's okay, not a big deal. Now that I know how it works, it helps. Yes, I was a little confused. The instructions aren't really clear. They just talk about the same button being for both fan speed and heat setting, which is true, but they don't explain that you can't really operate them independently of each other. Anyway, that's it. Nice heater.
There you go. And the features are all easy to see and easy to identify. And oh, it puts out heat right away. It's very, very impressive for a small heater. It can put out a lot of heat, and I hope that this shows it in a way that's going to help you to decide if this particular little heater, that can give you an idea of the size, is going to be right for you. It gets the entire bathroom toasty literally in seconds. Thank you.
I love the Lasko tower heater. Everything's digital, comes with a remote to turn it off. You click on the top to turn it on, and you can change the settings. I can go higher to 76, as you can see, or I can push it down. There's the buttons here. This can go to 71. I want to set it there, 71. And if I click on this one up here, it will start oscillating. It will start moving from side to side. There we go. And the heat is very strong, so it's already heating up the whole area that I'm sitting in waiting for it. So I think it's a great product. It's working greatly. It's only at 59 degrees and I can already feel the heat. It's pretty good.